In the world of tiny wonders, the Erigone spider performs a feat that defies gravity and reason. With an elegance that rivals the most accomplished acrobats, it releases silk threads into the breeze. But these threads are no ordinary silks. They hold an electric secret. In a phenomenon known as electrostatic flight, these charged threads react to natural electric fields, propelling the spider skyward. Often mistaken for floating dust, these spiders can journey across vast distances without wings, surfing on invisible waves of electricity. In a world driven by adaptation, the Erigone's electric dance is a reminder of nature's boundless creativity.